Hello, guys, and I'm back with another series with new thoughts and fresh minds. You know what's crazy? We spend our whole life trying to control the world around us, our jobs, our relationships, our image, our future, but the real chaos is happening right here in your mind, in your head. Every day, thousands of thoughts, what people think about me, am I doing enough? Am I good enough? And I know it's exhausting because the real war isn't between you and the world, it's between you and your mind. So, this is the new series Mind Over Everything. यही आइडिया है. ये मोटिवेशन नहीं है, ये फेक पॉजिटिविटी भी नहीं है. इट्स ऑल अबाउट रियल टॉक, अबाउट फेसिंग दैट इनर वॉइस दैट समटाइम्स बिकम योर बिगेस्ट एनिमी. हर एपिसोड एक बात पे फोकस करेगा. How to stop being a prisoner of your thoughts and start becoming the master of your mind. So sit back, take a deep breath, because this is where we talk about the stuff no one will talk about: fear, doubt, overthinking, pain, peace. This is mind over everything, and let's start with our first episode. You ever get those moments where you just lie down? Maybe your phone is silent, lights are dim, and suddenly your mind starts talking. Like, तुम ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं कर सकते लाइफ में. What if this doesn't work out? Everyone is moving ahead except you. But that's the voice in your head, the one that never really shuts. And if I am being real, that voice has controlled our lives for years without me or you even realizing it. आज का एपिसोड इज नॉट अबाउट मोटिवेशन, इट्स अबाउट अवेयरनेस, about realizing that sometimes the loudest noise isn't outside, it's in your head. देखो, जब हम बच्चे होते हैं ना, हम सब चीजें ऑब्जर्व करते हैं. वर्ड्स, टोन, रिजेक्शन, अप्रूवल्स. स्लोली दैट बिकम्स आवर इनर वॉइस. अगर किसी ने बोला कि तुम कभी कुछ नहीं कर सकते या कभी नहीं कर पाओगे, दैट वर्ड वो 1000 बार रिपीट होता है हमारे दिमाग में. And now, when you're at the age of 30 or 25 or 26, we think that voice is us, but it's not. It's a recording playing on loop, and it is fucking your mind. Think about it. When you're about to take a risk, who stops you? Is this the world or is it your friends? It's just that tiny whisper. क्या जरूरत है यार, safe चल. That's the fear of disguised as logic. I had days when I wanted to do something big, launch something, say something real, and my mind was like, what if no one listens? Even silence is better than regret because at least you tried. So here I am trying it. Let's be honest. हम सबके दिमाग अभी overworked है. Not because we are doing too much, but because we are thinking too much. You open your Instagram and you will see people buying new cars, traveling the world, getting married and launching a startup of your own age. और फिर अंदर से एक आवाज आती है कि यार मैंने क्या कर लिया लाइफ में, मैं क्या ही कर रहा हूँ. That's the trap. Every scroll becomes a comparison. Every reel becomes a reminder that maybe you are behind. But my friend, nobody is showing the anxiety, the debt, the nights of self doubt. सोशल मीडिया सिर्फ हाईलाइट रील्स हैं, बट योर माइंड्स टेक इट एज अ रियलिटी. एक दिन मैं ऐसे ही सोच रहा था कि व्हाई आई एम फीलिंग रेस्टलेस इवन व्हेन नथिंग इज रॉन्ग, एंड देन आई रियलाइज इट्स बिकॉज माय माइंड इज नेवर क्वाइट. Even when I'm resting, I'm scrolling. Even when I'm eating, I'm comparing. Even I'm doing fine, my brain says, but what's next? That voice, it's like a toxic roommate who doesn't pay rent but keeps on talking. And the sad part is, we have normalized it. We think overthinking is just part of growing up, but my friends, peace is not luxury, it's survival. You can't mute that voice completely, but you can train it. पहले notice it. Every time your mind says you can't, say who said that. Literally question it out loud, because 90% of your thoughts are recycled nonsense. Same insecurity, new scenarios. ये तो सच है. ये तो मैं भी मानता हूँ. और तुम सब भी मानोगे ये बात. मैं कभी-कभी उस वॉइस से बात करता हूँ, और तुम भी ट्राई करके देखो. इट्स एक्सरसाइज, मे बी इट कैन हेल्प यू आउट. और उसको बोलो कि भाई तू बोल ले जब तक तुझे बोलना है, फिर मैं मेरी बारी आएगी तो मैं करूँगा. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, दैट स्मॉल लाइन, दैट इज़ द पावर. ट्राई दिस वंस. नेक्स्ट टाइम यू आर स्केयर्ड टू पोस्ट समथिंग, स्केयर्ड टू स्टार्ट समथिंग, नोटिस व्हाट योर हेड सेज. मे बी इट सेज लोग क्या कहेंगे. अरे उसको चिल्ला के और हँसते हुए बोलो, लोग तो खुद कन्फ्यूज़्ड हैं, वो मेरी बारे में क्या ही बोलेंगे. And you will see that moment you stop obeying your thoughts, they lose control. Because your mind, your brain is meant to serve you, not own you. हर दिन सुबह उठते ही हम अपने दिमाग को एक कमांड देते हैं. एंड आई एम बिलीविंग मोस्ट ऑफ यू पीपल से समथिंग नेगेटिव, कि आज मैं फिर लेट हो गया, मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा, यार आज मूड ही नहीं कर रहा है, मैं क्या करूं. Imagine if you spoke to a friend like that every morning, bro, I am sure he will leave you. He will not stay with you. But your brain can't. It listens and believe. So start reprogramming. Replace I am not enough with I am learning. Replace it's too late with it's my time now. I know थोड़ा अजीब लगता है. ये अजीब नहीं है, it's science. जो रिपिटेशन है ना, वो रिवायर करता है हमारे ब्रेन को. एंड द सेम थिंग, द सेम वे, ओवर थिंकिंग क्रिएट्स फियर, रिपिटेशन क्रिएट्स पीस. माइंडसेट इज नॉट अ स्विच, इट्स अ मसल. रोज थोड़ा थोड़ा काम करो, एंड यू विल सी द डिफरेंस. दैट वन डे यू विल वेक अप एंड दैट वॉइस विल बी still talking but will be softer. And for the first time, you will talk back louder. You can't control the voice in your head, but you can choose what you give attention to. कभी कभी जिंदगी सिर्फ इतनी सी होती है, एक चॉइस between overthinking and action. And I have realized clarity doesn't come from thinking more, it comes from doing. So next time that voice says, what if you fail? Just smile and say, at least I tried यार, मैंने कोशिश तो करी. So maybe that's the thing. You don't have to silence the voice in your head. You just have to stop believing everything it says. कभी कभी वो आवाज तुम्हारा दुश्मन नहीं होती, बस एक थका हुआ वर्जन होता है, जिसे सिर्फ थोड़ा सा सुकून चाहिए. मे बी अ वेकेशन, आई वुड से. And the moment you learn to listen, not to react, you start taking your power back. Remember this, you are not your thoughts. You are the one who chooses which thoughts to keep. This is the first episode, The Voice in Your Head, from Mind Over Everything, because peace doesn't mean your mind is quiet. It means you have stopped letting the noise control you. I will see you in the next one. Keep your mind strong and your soul louder. This is Taman Singh signing off. Until next time.